Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting a matched pair of stainless chopsticks, about 23-25 cm, with textured tips for grip. Once cleaned and dried, position the lower stick so it rests steady against the base of your thumb and the side of your ring finger. This is the anchor. Then pick up the upper stick like a pen between thumb and index finger, using your middle finger to stabilize. Make sure to maintain relaxed tension so you can open and close without fumbling. You now focus on the how of picking and maneuvering food. Approach the piece at a slight angle so both tips meet squarely. This increases surface contact and reduces slipping. Once aligned, pinch by moving only the top chopstick while the bottom remains fixed. This creates a controlled scissor action. Practice on larger items first to build coordination. Once done, progress to slippery or small foods like noodles and peas, because mastering those demonstrates you've learned precise pressure and tip alignment. You finish by learning how to serve and handle problems. When transferring food, scoop gently and support heavier pieces against the inner rim of the bowl instead of stabbing. This preserves both food and chopstick alignment. If items slide, cup them against the bowl edge for extra stability. Should your stainless sticks feel slick, roughen the tips slightly with fine sandpaper or add a small piece of grip tape. Test on a piece of toast first to confirm improved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.